So I have two Samsung washing machine power cables. You can see this one and this one. This is the top plug. You can see this one is burnt. The fuse inside was also burnt too. See. So in this case, what you need to do, you need to replace it with the right cable. Like this one is okay. So that is the whole set. It looks like. So if you find your washing machine is not powering on, or if your washing machine is hissing or producing a flickering sound where it is in contact with the socket, yeah, when you plug it in, you find it's producing a hissing sound, or something smells like it's burning. Yeah. Or in some case scenarios, you find that you can't remove the top plug from the socket. So you find the top plug and the socket are tightly compacted together. That's when you know there's a problem here, and you'll find it's producing some sound of burning and some burning smell. That means it is time to replace it. If it's burnt, replace it. That is the best option to take.